Hey, my name is David and welcome to this tutorial. In this lesson, we're gonna look at AutoCAD architecture and how we can navigate in the program. Okay, first thing that you may wanna ask, how to zoom in and zoom out. It's really easy. You just have to use a mouse wheel and there you go. And you can also grab the whole project and just grab it around by pushing mouse wheel actually down, and you have this pretty cool tool. If you hold down the shift key, then you can just change to three-dimensional. Pretty cool, huh? When you release it, you will see the walls as well, the windows, and there you are. You can play around with your mouse wheel, actually zoom in, zoom out, and when you push it, you can navigate in the project. Actually, this project can be downloaded, and it is in the description. So what I wanted to show you is that here we have this predefined view forms. You can look at the top, bottom, right. Here we have my favorite. This is the isometric view, and this is pretty cool, I think. And you can change not only the angle but also the way of looking at this project, and you can do that here. You can change to hidden, conceptual, realistic, sketchy, so anything you want. Actually, I like this program, and you can play around with this. So this was the first tutorial, the first step in AutoCAD architecture. Have fun with this and just look up other tutorials in my channel. Thank you.